Most people are using only 5% of what ChatGPT can do. But what if I told you, you're just one prompt away from unlocking game-changing results? Whether you're a student, business owner, artist, or someone just trying to get your life together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fully maximize ChatGPT with real-life examples, pro tips, and strategies that will blow your mind. Stick with me, and you'll never look at AI the same way again. You're not lazy, you're not unproductive, you're probably just not asking ChatGPT the right way. Part 1. Understand what ChatGPT actually is. Let's clear the air. ChatGPT is not Google. It's not just a chatbot. It's your thinking partner, idea machine, research assistant, content generator, and even a life planner, all in one. The key to unlocking its power, your prompt. That's the remote control to the universe. Quick tip. Always give it context. Treat it like a smart intern. The more you explain, the better it performs. Part 2. The 5 roles ChatGPT can play for you. Here's how ChatGPT can supercharge your work, no matter your field. For example, students can give these prompts. Explain quantum physics like I'm 10. Help me outline an essay on climate change in 3 points. Hack, ask, what are the 3 most common mistakes students make when writing about a topic? For example, entrepreneurs, freelancers, can give these prompts. Give me 5 business name ideas for a pet grooming brand. Create a content calendar for Instagram for a travel company. Hack, add. Include emojis, trending hashtags, and viral audio suggestions. Likewise, creators, artists can give these prompts. Give me 10 content ideas for YouTube shorts about storytelling. Write a script for a motivational reel in the voice of Morgan Freeman. Hack, combine tools. Write the script plus suggest background music plus suggest visuals. Similarly, coders and techies can give these prompts. Debug this Python code and explain the error like I'm a beginner. Give me 5 app ideas that solve everyday problems. Hack. Now turn this code into a beginner-friendly YouTube tutorial outline. For everyday life, you can use prompts like these. Make me a weekly meal plan with a $100 budget. I plan a 3-day New York trip with friends on a budget, including food and places to visit. Hack would be, add, give me a fun Instagram caption and photo ideas for each day. Part 3, prompt like a pro. If you only remember one thing, remember this. Good prompts equal to good results. Great prompts equal to game-changing results. Use this formula. Act as role, I want you to task, for goal, with style limitations. Example. Act as a copywriter. Write a YouTube title and description for a video about how to use ChatGPT like a pro, using SEO principles. Part 4. Super prompts for anyone. Try these out. 1. Summarize this article in 5 bullet points I can share on Instagram. 2. Help me brainstorm 10 passive income ideas based on my skills. 3. What are the most in-demand freelance skills in 2025? 4. Give me a daily routine for emotional balance if I'm struggling with stress. 5. Create a social media strategy for a new makeup brand run by 2 best friends. Part 5. Secret features most people miss. A. Use memory. In ChatGPT Plus, it remembers your goals and preferences. Use it like a personal assistant. B. Upload images and files. Have a design or resume. Upload it. Ask for feedback. Real-time analysis. C. Brainstorm better. Say, give me options in a table comparing pros and cons. Part 6. Tips to become a ChatGPT power user. 1. Use follow-up prompts like, make it more concise, more emotional, add examples. 2. Ask it to quiz you. 3. Use it as a journaling coach. 4. Say, suggest tools, apps, or websites to help me with this. ChatGPT isn't just a tool, it's a multiplier. The more clearly and creatively you use it, the more powerful it becomes. Whether you want to study better, grow a business, start a YouTube channel, or plan your life, ChatGPT can be your shortcut. But remember, it wants to do everything for you. It will do everything with you. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, power if you're ready to level up, and share this with someone who still types hi and waits. Subscribe for more real-life AI hacks that actually change your life. See you in the next one.